So after introduce the halogen derivatives and classification, we are going to start the new topic, nomenclature of halogen compounds. We know that halogen derivatives can be nominated into two ways: common name system and IUPAC system. So first we are dealing with common name system. We know that common name system alkyl halide as written as RX. So in common name system, monohalogen derivatives are named as alkyl halide. Simply, the name of alkyl group written first, which followed by the name of halogen as halide, used as suffix. So finally, the complete name is alkyl halide. For example, CS3Cl is methyl chloride, CS3CS2Cl is ethyl chloride, this one is normal propyl bromide, and this one is isopropyl bromide. For naming the compound in common name system, we have to know all the details about alkyl groups first, okay? Because alkyl group is used as prefix in this nomenclature, alkyl and followed by halide. So first of all, we have to aware about name of alkyl group. In normal propyl bromide and isopropyl bromide, we can see that there are 3 carbons and 7 hydrogen atom and 1 bromine. So their molecular formula is same, but position of bromine is different. So these two examples are positional isomers also. When second for butane, this one is normal butyl chloride, but when isobutyl group is present in this way, isobutyl chloride, we know that normal prefix can be used for an alkyl group when 3 or more than 3 carbons are attached in a straight chain and the free valency must be present at cornered carbon. Then use of normal prefix takes place. When 2 methyl groups are present at second or second last carbon and this carbon should be tertiary 3 degree, then prefix iso is introduced. But when normal iso and neo are not in use, means when free valency is present at cornered carbon, then use of normal iso and neo takes place. In this alkyl halide, there are 5 carbons, so this one is pentyl and halogen is chlorine, so chloride. But we can see that here are 3 methyl groups are present. So when 3 methyl groups are present at second or second last carbon, and that carbon should be 4 degree quaternary, then prefix neo should be used. So this one is the neopentyl chloride, this is isobutyl chloride. Neo is not possible in butyl, okay? But when normal iso and neo can't be used, in this example we can see free valency is present at the mid carbon, so there is no use of normal iso and neo. Normal, iso and neo can use in that condition when free valency is present at cornered carbon, only and only at cornered carbon. We can see chlorine at first, chlorine at first, chlorine at first. But in this example, chlorine is present in mid position. So we can't use normal, iso and neo. So in that condition, secondary and tertiary will introduce. For example, this one, we can't use in these two examples normal, iso and neo. This one is butyl chloride and this one is this also butyl chloride. But when normal, iso and neo can't be used, then secondary and tertiary can be introduced. So chlorine is present to this carbon and this carbon is tertiary. So we can use a prefix T, that is stand for tertiary. So this example is named as tertiary butyl chloride. And this example, chlorine attached to a secondary carbon. So it is secondary butyl chloride. Okay. So this is the naming of alkyl halide. But in haloarenes, they named as derivatives of benzene in IUPAC and common both system. For example, this one is simplest example of arene. So this is benzene. When we replace one hydrogen atom of benzene ring with bromine, then will a simple example of haloarene. So name of this compound is bromo and benzene. Okay, so this name is not according to alkyl halide. Here name of halogen atom written first as prefix. When two same halogen atom are present, then three positional isomers are available. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 position can takes place. So this one is 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So when two same substituent are present at 1, 2 position in benzene ring, then prefix ortho is introduced. So name is ortho dibromo benzene. And when we write this name in IUPAC, then ortho is replaced by its position number 1, 2. So name in IUPAC is 1, 2 dibromobenzene. In this example, position is 1, 3. So meta prefix is used. So meta dibromobenzene. And this will is para 1, 4 dibromobenzene. So that's all for the common name system. Now we will consider second name system, that is IUPAC system. In IUPAC system, the name of alkyl halide is done as a substitute hydrocarbon, halo substitute hydrocarbon. So RX can be written as haloalkane. Okay. And arene, haloarene written as the substituent of benzene. So they named as halobenzene. Okay. And we know that halogen used as prefix, it means it is not a functional group. Halogen is a substituent. So when we numbering the carbon chain, the numbering takes place in way that the carbon which connected with halogen atom acquires least count. Okay. So for example, CS3Br, CS3CH2Br, CS3CH2CH2Br. So there is no need of numbering in first two examples. Okay. So this one is bromo. and methane because there are one carbon. Again bromo, but two carbons, so bromoethane. 1 2 3 3 carbons, but numbering is required, so 1 2 3. नंबरिंग ऐसी करनी है कि जो हेलोजन से कनेक्टेड कार्बन है उसको कम से कम नंबर मिलना चाहिए, लीस्ट काउंट मिलना चाहिए. सो नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज 1, देन हाइफन ब्रोमो, then name of carbon chain, 3 carbons, that is prop, and finally suffix propane. So name of this compound is 1-bromopropane. When we write the name of this compound, that is isopropyl bromide in common system, then 1 2 3. So name of this compound is 2-bromopropane. Okay, if we want to राइट द नेम ऑफ टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड, ये हमने पढ़ा था कॉमन सिस्टम में टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल क्लोराइड, बट यहाँ अगर हम इसकी नेमिंग करेंगे तो कार्बन चेन 1 and 2 एंड कार्बन चेन 1 2 3. सो 3 कार्बन चेन विल यूज, सो 1 2 and 3. सो नेम ऑफ, तो वी कैन सी दैट हेयर आर 2 substituent क्लोरो एंड मिथाइल. सो व्हेन मोर देन 1 substituents are present, then we have to write their name according to alphabetical order. So name of this compound is 2-chloro, 2-methyl and 3 carbons, then propane. Okay, so these all are the examples of some common monohalo derivative. सपोज देर आर मोर देन 1 हेलोजन एटम्स, जैसे ये है CH3 CHCl और एक है CH2 CH2Cl. In this example we can see that there are 2 carbons, but in this example 2 halogens are present at same carbon and 2 halogen are present at different carbon atoms. So when 2 halogen atoms are present, yeah, when 2 hydrogen remove from same carbon, then that hydrocarbon radical named as alkylidene. Okay, when 2 hydrogen atoms are removed from same carbon, then that hydrocarbon radical named as alkylidene. So there are 2 carbon, so एल्काइलिडीन की जगह हम लिखेंगे इथाइलिडीन. एंड फाइनली क्लोरीन है तो इथाइलिडीन क्लोराइड. डाई की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है क्योंकि डीन यूज कर चुके हैं, तो इथाइलिडीन क्लोराइड है ना. दिस वन इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ जेम डाई हेलाइड. व्हेन 2 हेलोजन आर प्रेजेंट एट सेम कार्बन, देन दे आर जेम डाई हेलाइड. व्हेन 2 हेलोजन आर प्रेजेंट एट डिफरेंट एंड एडजेसेंट कार्बन, देन दे आर विस डाई हेलाइड. ये लास्ट ईयर 11th क्लास में था. जब 2 हेलोजन पास के कार्बन पर हो तो विस डाई हेलाइड उसकी कैटेगरी है. 2 हेलोजन जब एक ही कार्बन पर प्रेजेंट है तो उसकी कैटेगरी जेम डाई हेलाइड है. सो व्हेन 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम रिमूव्स फ्रॉम सेम कार्बन, देन alkylidene is the name, so ethylidene. When 2 hydrogen are removed in hydrocarbon radical from adjacent carbon, 1 from each, then name is alkylene. So 2 carbon, so ethylene. यहां हम लोग डाई यूज करेंगे इथाइलिन डाई क्लोराइड. सपोज अगर यहाँ पे एक पे क्लोरीन हो एक पे ब्रोमीन हो तो इथाइलिन, फिर ब्रोमाइन ब्रोमाइड क्लोराइड, जो भी उनका नाम होगा. ठीक है, अब इनका अगर हम IUPAC, ध्यान देना, दोनों हाइड्रोजन अगर एक ही कार्बन से रिमूव की गई हो, जैसे अगर आप ध्यान देंगे तो इनको बनाने के लिए हमने ईथेन का यूज किया होगा, है ना. जब दोनों हाइड्रोजन एक ही कार्बन से रिमूव हुई है तो हम एल्काइलिडीन यूज करेंगे. तो 2 कार्बन है तो ईथ बनेगा तो इथाइलिडीन हो जाएगा. जब दोनों हाइड्रोजन पास के कार्बन से रिमूव हुई है तो एल्काइलीन टर्म यूज करेंगे तो इथाइलीन यूज होगा. ठीक है. Now the name in IUPAC system very simple, and though both chlorine are present at first carbon, so 1 dichloroethane, and this one is 1,2 dichloroethane. Okay, And these three examples, so bromobenzene is adopted in IUPAC also. So this one is the IUPAC as well as its a common name. And ortho, meta, bromo are prefix in common name system. They replace as 1 2, 1 3 and 1 4. So we can name in these three compounds as 1 2 dibromobenzene, 1 3 dibromobenzene, 1 4 dibromobenzene. So in this way we can complete the name of these compound. There are some complex as well as जैसे ये वाला है. So in common system this is the radical because it is example of benzylic halide. When an aromatic ring is present next to an sp3 hybridized carbon which attaches to a halogen atom, that is considered as benzylic. So it is named in common system benzyl chloride. But in IUPAC we can see that in IUPAC system carbon chain is one carbon or benzene ring. So chlorine is not connected directly to the benzene ring. So carbon chain is of only one carbon. So we can write, so there are two substituent, chloro and phenyl. So in IUPAC system, name of this compound is chloro, then phenyl, and finally the name of carbon chain methane. Okay. Chloromethylbenzene is another name of this compound in IUPAC. Chloromethylbenzene. In IUPAC system, we can write chloromethylbenzene also. So we can write two name for this compound, but more correct name is chlorophenyl methane. Okay. सो आई थिंक नोमेनक्लेचर के पार्ट में तो अब और कोई प्रॉब्लम आप लोगों को होनी नहीं चाहिए. फिर भी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो हम लोग कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स जो हैं आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में, एक है एग्जाम्पल 10.1, एग्जाम्पल 10.2 एंड इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस की अगर हम बात करें तो है आपका एग्जाम्पल 10.1. और एक्सरसाइज की अगर हम बात कर देते हैं कि आपके बुक में जो पीछे की तरफ जो कुछ एक्सरसाइज दिए हुए हैं चैप्टर के साथ में, तो अगर हम उन एक्सरसाइज की बात करें तो वहां से भी हमको क्वेश्चंस मिल सकते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. ओके, सो दीज ऑल अबाउट नेमिंग ऑफ हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स. थैंक यू. You can solve these 6 questions, 2 example, 1 in text and 2 exercise. Okay. If any problem, then ask me.